a good song, everybody. All right, what do we got? We have the 12th of November. It's in the mid-80s down here in New Braunfels, Texas. And we are searching for fall color. I said it. Fall color. Let me know if you see any fall color. Yeah, no. 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 No, not there. Oh, I saw some back there. No, just a little bit of water. Is that fall color? What about that one? We might not find any. As you look across, it's pretty green, right? So I'm new to Texas. If you don't know my backstory, 49 years in the state of Ohio. I talk about Ohio quite a bit still. Southern Ohio has amazing motorcycle roads. I bet you guys did not know that. And it looks like we just are going to be going very slow now. Oh, look at that. That's a very expensive Tiffin. They even hide all the ACs on top. Huh. Okay. Can I have $500,000 so I can go buy me one? Looks like it's a pusher. Yeah, okay. So like I said, I grew up in Ohio. Amazing motorcycle roads in Southern Ohio. Fall color. The gorgeous Debbie, my wife. We've only been married just over a year, and that brought me to San Antonio, Texas from Southern Ohio. Completely different world. I thought this part of Texas was dry and not green, but it's dry, but it is green. It's green. It's green. It's green. So I was kind of shocked that it stays green all year round. I thought it would be brown, more brown, but no, it's green. Say green all the time. Most of the time, green, the grass can go, whatever. You'll get some that stuff, you know. But I mean, I dig San Antonio. Just returned from Ohio, and they had a really dry year this year, so the color is not popping by no means, but it was gorgeous. Went into Virginia. Yes, gorgeous. And now we're back. So, you know, the fall color in Ohio is definitely over by now. You still might see some here and there. New England state's probably gone. So I thought it would be funny. There's something in my ear. For sure there is something in my ear. Probably a hair. That's what we're going to say anyway. But yeah, I thought it'd be fun to go look for some fall color. And I don't see any. So I'm going to hit the river road. You guys aren't going to join me on the river road today. Maybe the first like 30 seconds, if that. And I'll come back if I find any color. I don't think I will. But every once in a while along the Guadalupe River, you do get these trees that change colors, and you'll have a tree and it's like, fall color. Still no fall color. I wish that Tiffin was going just a little quicker. This is a decent road. I don't know the name of it. It takes me to the river road. Oh, I just hit something. It squished. It was already squished, but it squished a little more. And then we have Thanksgiving coming up in the States now. Get this. By the time you see this, Thanksgiving will be over with. My wife and I are going to go out on the Spider. I said it. We're going to go out on the Spider for a ride. Don't go down the river road. How in the world are you? Yeah, I was gonna say you can't. Oh my goodness, they're really. They're building. They're building, people. They're building. That's a big piece of equipment. I wonder how far down they're going to be taking that bad boy. Look at that bucket on that thing. They got walls made. Dang. Dang, there's a new 55 and up community. For those of you that aren't 55 and up, but I think most everybody watching this channel are, I would not mind living in a 55 and up community because I think it would be kind of cool to have all those things that these 55 and up communities have. Tiffin. It's a very good looking Tiffin. I like that you can't see the AC units. Even though I don't have a problem seeing the AC units. I like what they did. It's all hidden up there. And they got that vent cut in that, where those marker lights are, there's vents that, so the air when it hits that back wall has a place to go. I think it's kind of cool. And of course they're pulling their Jeep, and their Jeep is pulling all of the motorcycles. No, I mean, I'm kidding. Electric bikes. Do we have any fall color? You guys see any fall color? It's really pretty that way. No fall color here? No. Such a pretty end to the river road. And I'm going backwards. We're going up toward Canyon Lake. So I'll be back if I find some fall color. If not, that means I didn't find any fall color. So that's the end of the video, to be honest with you. Because I don't think we're going to find, I can't speak, just got off work. And the words are not forming. We'll get to the first water crossing and then we'll be done. It's a nice rig. It's a very nice rig. And then they're gonna go settle up in this place, which is cool. I like looking. I would love to find another river road somewhere and take my wife camping. Very cool. And the sign's yelling at me. They're saying, hey, slow down. See if we have any fall color here. No, those leaves would give us the fall color. I guess a little bit. We got yellows, browns, yellows. That's pretty with the reflection. You see the reflection? Anything this way? No, not really. Okay. No fall color. I'm in the middle of the road doing like 2 miles per hour, 4 miles per hour. No one's behind me. That's really pretty. Love the reflection. So if you could, while we're here, just give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. I don't think I'm going to find any fall color on my ride today, but if I do, I will be back. So if I'm back, I'm back. If not, I'll see everybody down the road. It's a pretty cliff. Oh, I wonder what they see. I wonder. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the no fall color ride.